see what happens. Anyways, let's get into FPL Clinic. So FPL Clinic last weekend, dear, was blashes. Please, if you are looking for time to now take out Salah, yep, take him
Salah.
out. Also, Joao Pedro had his last straw last weekend, and he decided he won't sip juice with it. He didn't bring back the goods. So let's now try and first of all replace Joao Pedro. Now, some replacements for Joao Pedro. First of all, now we'll look at big shout I was going out to talk FPL, but we'll look at Mateta. Mateta is one player that looking at his price range at 7.7 million. He should be one of the people you should consider. Looking at the round of games that he has coming for him, they play Brentford, they play Brighton and Hove Albion, they play Wolverhampton Wanderers, they play Manchester United, they play Burnley, they play Fulham. These are games that you'd expect that Mateta will be able to actually get some cool stuff from because of how high up he starts and constantly playing for the Crystal Palace team. The Crystal Palace team players, the ones performing, should always be in your FPL team. Why? Because they would always play. There's no rotation for them. It's a very lean team, so they are always playing constantly till they get injured. Now, another player you could also consider to replace Joao Pedro is Nick Messi Votemede. Yes, because of his price point, that's a 7.5 million pound sterling. And you can actually consider using him as well. Looking at the round of games that he's got West Ham United. They are definitely going to concede a set piece from a set piece in this game. And Nick is one person high up with the foot. He's there for you. And also they play Brentford. They then play Manchester City. And they will be playing Everton, Tottenham, and Burnley in the next couple of games. 6 games to be exact. Another person you should also just consider. With this name, you consider him because you're trying to free up cash and then get other players into your team. His name is Igor Thiago. Yes, Igor Thiago. Igor Thiago of Brentford, and he's getting a lot of action because of the way Brentford set up and are hitting people on the counter. Looking at their fixtures that they have coming up, they'll be doing that a lot, especially against Crystal Palace, Newcastle United, Brighton and Hove Albion, Burnley, Arsenal, and Tottenham. Arsenal being the most difficult in that round of games, but the rest are malleable for the team. One person who is also creeping up to be a very good prospect is Ellie Jr. Ellie Jr. plays for Bournemouth, and he has already actually been nominated in the end of month awards. But for this week, you should actually consider him. Yeah, if you play a 2-top formation and you always want 2 strikers in there, consider him. Yeah, please. It's very, very important. Now, teams that you should consider bringing players from Crystal Palace. Listen, they've got a very, very cool run of games. They've got a very cool run of games coming up for them. So just consider Crystal Palace. Again, reason why you should consider Mateta is that Nketiah is out injured. Mateta is going to be playing all the time. Mateta is going to be playing all the time. Once he's on the pitch, he's dangerous, he's lethal. One player, now let's look at players that you need to watch. Let's put them on the watch list for now, for 2 weeks. Again, for 2 weeks. Remember, double game week is coming up very soon. For 2 weeks, we need to look at these players. It could even be at the end of this run, next week, we are bringing them in. Ismail Assar, please, he should be on your watch list. Just keep a close eye to him. Keep a close eye on him, yeah. And also, Yakuba Minte, keep a close eye on him as well. These, you could actually bring them in as differentials this week or keep a close eye on them. Now, for the captaincy options, you look across board. The easiest route out is constantly the man, Erling Braut Haaland. Yeah, he blanked last week, difficult this week, but once you get the likes of Nick Votemede in there, you have an Antoine Semenyo Roman in there. You've got even Yakuba Minte in there, Ismail Assar in there. These are all captaincy options, but one of the sure bets, as always, is the man Erling Haaland. Yeah, Erling Haaland. You can't do without him. He's the guy who is getting all the points for you anytime Manchester City would score. He scores, you get the point. You get your points doubled because each time a captain scores, your points get doubled. Do you understand? Anyway, so yeah, that has been that as far as that is concerned for FPL Clinic.